I want to take you for a walkthrough on the back end of this program. This is a big investment and a leap of faith. And so I want you to know as much about this program as you can. Of course, when you purchase this program, we expect results for our clients. We expect administrative and marketing support. We've added a lot into our programs in the way of physician approval and beautiful presentation. But beneath it all, what we're expecting for ourselves, or what you're expecting, should be a return on investment. Purchasing a program, of course, for reuse should not be considered an expense so much as an investment. You should expect to have an initial cost for the program, but then you should have a reasonable expectation for a return on that investment in the way of sales. So you should do this by projecting sales and then by actually putting many people and or groups of people into the program. For a health practitioner, that is a cost of goods sold. Once you have covered the costs of the program, there is no cost of goods, and sales of the program are 100% profit. That's why program sales are a good business model for health practitioner. That's one of the reasons that this is a solid and affordable health solution for your customer. You don't have to overcharge for something that you have no cost to administer. It's a win-win for everyone. Now I'm going to show you the back end. We'll go into the membership site on our site, and you'll get to see exactly what you'll be receiving once you purchase this program. And one other thing, if you would like to know how to charge for the program, if you go down to the FAQs, there is a point where you can click on the FAQs, and there is a rates that you can click on to see what a reasonable expectation for charging for the program might be. This is our biggest program. It is set for an entire year, and it was created after I taught couple of years of membership mastery. And the one place where our coaches were falling down or having a little bit of trouble with was putting programs together to release to the needs of their clients. So natural health immersion fits almost any niche, and it's appropriate to almost any education level. It has focus modules every other time, and then it has food and movement, or nutrition and fitness, every other module. It includes a ton. There's a lot of graphics with it. It has full marketing support, full administration and setup. There's actually enough information in here that you could spread it out over more than a year, like a year and a half. If you want to look at the different modules, they're specifically set out on the sales page, so you can tell exactly what we're going over. It covers a lot of natural health, like sunlight and mind-body connection and sound and music and light therapy and color therapy and toxins. And it covers a lot in the year. There's a lot of mental health in this program, as well as physical health. And there's a lot of good examples now on the sales page, so you can get a good idea of what it looks like. It's a beautiful program. It has a website that goes with it, and it also has a delivery site, a membership site that can have the design too. We have sold enough now of these programs that we have more than covered the cost, so we have reduced the price a little bit on it. And I'm going to take you in a walkthrough through the membership site so you can see exactly what comes with it. We have one of the options when you purchase any of our programs is free participation, so that you can see it from the customer's point of view. The first thing you see when you get access to your program is a page about the program, and it has a lot of different information in running your business and getting things ready. Then you want to sign up for participation so that you can get the client experience. You get a setup file that includes list of contents, so you know exactly what you're getting. You have a setup booklet that shows you different things, how to set up different things to get your program running, and then a wellness assessment for your clients. The next thing you have is an administrative file. The administrative file has documents for printing that you might want, like the posters and the program and the Facebook discussion topics, Facebook discussion posts, so that you have posts of all the, you have beautiful posts for all the discussion topics that you can put into your group. That helps you to let the group kind of run itself. There's supplemental modules added to this program. There's an administrative packet. There's houseplants graphic and an administrative calendar, so you know exactly what should be happening when. The deliverables are what goes through your membership site or what you deliver to your customers. The topic modules download, which are half of the modules. Food and movement modules download, workbooks download, intro modules download, supplemental modules download, yoga poses. Then we have weekly emails. If you have one of our membership sites, those are already loaded in the membership site for you. And then there's several different dietary theories, and you can choose to share those or not. There's also a sheet where you can document the amount of water that you drink every day and a meal planner template. There are videos included. There's the topics videos that go with each one of the topic modules, and food and movement videos that go with each one of the food and movement modules. Then there's also a dietary supplement protocol, which means that it tells you if you should have vitamin A or multiple vitamins. And of course, there's a disclaimer on there too. Let's see, and that was all done by a registered dietitian. Next one is marketing, and the marketing folder has the fan page posts, the marketing posters, natural health immersion brochure that's a trifold, opt-ins. There's 3 opt-ins with each one of our programs. This one has more than 3. We just kind of overdid this program. There's a binder cover in case your people want to print out their modules. There's a newsletter, emails, and blog topics, sales webinar template, a physician health coach partner presentation. So there's a PowerPoint to explain if you want to work with a physician. There's a newsletter template that is branded to natural health immersion. There's a sales page import file. And if you have our program or our website, the starter site, then this will already be uploaded into your website. If you don't, then there's a copy of it and you can just copy the sales page. There's membership pages to import for the Divi theme, social media content spreadsheet, sales email sequence, 30 Facebook posts, and logos and art in its own file. Then there's another file just for customization. These are the PowerPoints that you will convert to PDFs, and we show you how to customize it and brand it to you. If you don't want to do that, then you can purchase that from us. So there's all the downloads here. I'm glad that you're considering Natural Health Immersion. It's a great program. It is the full 12 months, and it helps you to set up your membership business for the first time, or it's a good addition to your membership business. We also have a year 2, and that's called Live Your Best Life, Natural Health Immersion 2.